People feeling like the light has just come.
What up, guys? Welcome to Testy Play. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to use green screen to create into one idea, how to gather green screen and turn it into one idea of a video. So guys, let's do this very fast and let's get it started. I don't want to take much of your time watching my video and say how, because I don't like to talk much, but let's do this. All you need to do is to follow my mouse key, follow my move, add some comment down below. If you miss any track, then I'll tell you what to do. So guys, first thing you need to do is to go to YouTube, which I already have mine. So I will not be going to YouTube because I'm not connected to the internet right now. So guys, let's do this right now. Let's get it started. So first thing you need to do is to have whatever you want for your green screen to look. Maybe you're starting off a video, you want to make it to look more like a movie or whatever, or standard. So all you need to do is to go, let me first of all drag in this. I need the word. Let me say, yeah, I need the word first. I need to drag in the word. Yeah, I need the word. And then I need to drag in my pet for this. My pet, because see, that's my pet, my lion. Green screen, can search on it, green screen animals or green screen lion, they will bring it. Then the background I want to use for that, the background, yeah, I don't fancy this background much, but I like it because it's awesome. I love the background because I feel like this will be the perfect one for it. You can choose whatever background you want to use to do this. You can choose whatever background. See, I got my word, I got my lion, I got my background for this. So you can see, you can follow up here, you can follow up here. See, I got my background. I would like to add the word over here. So let's do this right now. Let's get it started. Let's do this. So guys, let me duplicate. I don't want much stuff to confuse me right here. Let me just go straight to the point. Yeah, let me go straight to the point. So first of all, first thing you need to do is to go to video effect. First thing you need to do, go to the video effect. So you can remove this out of there. You can remove the green screen. You can remove the green screen on this. Make sure your background is the down of the video. Make sure your background is the last stuff you add on this. Make sure your background is the last stuff you add on this. So yeah, let's do this. So go to chroma key, then you see green, you see the green one there. So after going to chroma key, then you can start green screen. Or if you don't want to do that, you can still do that like this, default. So yeah, after going to default, then you go to this, you select this, you click here, you click here. You can see that's for the green screen. My word, you can see my word just changed to another bit color, which is bad. I don't want it to change any color. I don't want to change any color. So you can see, let's make this more red. Yeah. But if you don't want your word to change, the word to change, all you need to do is to go to video F. You see it, video F, and then you cancel this and to come back to the normal standard. It is, you cancel it again, you come back to the normal standard. It is, and then you can drag in the green screen. Yeah, you can drag in the green screen. The word will still look the same. You see, it's not changing any color. Yeah. So I want the word to look a bit more shiny, yeah. need to toy with this. You can do this like this to see how good this is. You can see, wow, it's not that good. Yeah, so this is what I need to do. I don't want it to look more blood, to blow. Sorry. So yeah, let me click this back. So guys, as you can see now, we need to remove the green screen on the lion. Yeah, need to remove the green screen on the lion. See, yeah, I'm coming. I'm still working on this. Let me just make the lion to look more a bit red. Yeah, so as you can see, my lion is right there. So guys, let's say want this to look more fit on the screen. On Sony Vegas 15, all you need to go is to click this option. If you just installed it newly, then you go to track mention. Yeah, let's see what one I want to track first. The word. I want the word to look a bit more smaller. Yeah, as you can see, I have a reflection of my word there. You can see this is word and this is the moon. I just love this. So guys, as you can see, look at, if you follow this, yes, then I want the lion to look a bit more smaller. Yeah, to fit in. Yeah, I'm dragging this lion down here. It's the guardian of the moon. The lion is the guardian of the moon. So let's say I want to do this very perfectly. So as you can see, let's click, let's see how this look. Yeah, as you can see, this is very good. Yeah, as you can see, this is very good. Then yeah, this is very good. All you need to do again is to go to media grantor. Then you can add your title of your name on this. You can make it to pops out or whatever, the guardian, or maybe like say, let me just use one name. Let me say, I don't know, is this neighbor making noise on my compound, but sorry for that noise. So guys, just listen to my voice because I'm not using a good mic. Yeah, so all I need to do is to drag in the text right here. I need to drag in the text on top it. Yeah, let me see, my word. Let me just use my word. For instance, you can turn the phone, you can have a good phone. Yeah, you can have a good phone. Yeah, you can make it, you can change the color of it. So let me drag this right here, my word. So I need to make this to be right in order. Need to make this look more right in order. Let me check it over there. My word. Yeah, you can see my word right there. So the word is blue. Let's use blue. Yeah, people will not find this, people will not see this. So you need to go to effect. You can toy with this. You can make it more my word. See, more bits pops out. Pops out more a bit. Yeah. So yeah guys, this is how to do this. Turn a green screen into a video idea right now. You can see this is a better intro. Yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe or like this video, or thumbs down if you don't like it. So guys, see you when next on my video. So thank you all for watching. We love you all. Bye.